If you're new here, karibu sana. If you're one of my subscribers, thank you so much. If you're watching my videos and have not subscribed, really, consider subscribing. It's free of charge, and that's the only way you get to support me. So let's jump straight into today's video. Today we are cooking spaghetti and githeri. So you need 4 cups of cold water and salt to taste on a hot cooking pot. So githeri is, for those who don't know, githeri is just boiled beans and corn. Yeah. Add in 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Don't mind me. You know when you can't do these things manually like I'm doing, just measure. I'm going in with 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Any cooking oil of your choice, guys. And then I'll cover that till it boils. This is 400 grams of pasta or spaghetti. I just drop it in. Cover for 7 to 8 minutes, but keep checking. Might be sooner than that. Here we go. I'm just going to filter that. You just filter if it's necessary, if you have excess water. I'm garnishing with coriander leaves, dania, but you can also garnish with carrot, any garnish of your choice. And this is how your spaghetti should look like. Inafaa iachane, isikwe ugali. On to our next meal, githeri stew. I'll do 4 tablespoons of cooking oil on a hot cooking pot. You need 1 medium onion finely chopped and a handful of coriander stems. onions turn translucent, and then it's time to add in your tomatoes. You can puree your tomatoes or just slice like I've done today. I came across this amazing seasoning powder. It has very natural spices and herbs, and you can literally feel that taste in your food or your stews. I'm glad I came across it, so just sprinkle it on top. You can also dilute it first before adding to your stew. It's more of the same thing. And here is our githeri, boiled beans and corn, and we're going to make a delicious stew out of it. And I did a very crunchy salad, cabbage and carrot. And this is how everything looks like, and it was so delicious. So very delicious. I never imagined that you can eat your spaghetti with Githeri stew. Please try it. It's so mind-blowing. Yeah, so bye guys, we'll meet again in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to pray. Praise a weapon. Bye.